it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a super cute ghost necklace using some beads from the newest Softlex company design kit, Gone Batty, as well as this cute little ghost charm? These beads were part of the kit and then the Jesse James bead mix, and these exclusive check class triangles were exclusive to the kit. I'm using the Onyx Softlex wire. Just added in this little ghost for my collection, and these check glass flower spacer beads are on closeout at softflexcompany.com. I will leave links down below if these items are still available, as well as links to any tutorial playlist for the Gone Batty collection and Halloween inspiration. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. So we're going to need about 18 inches of our Softlex wire. To start, we're going to attach our 6mm jump ring to our little ghost charm. You just gently twist and we'll slide on our charm. And we'll give it a close. You should hear that little click, know that your charm is secure. It's Halloween season and spooky season, but these little trees also kind of remind me of Christmas trees. So if I have anything left over, I think I'm going to save a couple to make little trees for the holidays. So we're going to slide on our little ghost charm. And we have to have sparkle in our necklace, so I'm going to add one of these 4mm sparkle beads on each side. And I am mixing my metal by using gold and silver. And then I'm going to add on my little triangles. Center the point of my triangle facing my ghost. And what's nice about this is it's a clear bead for a clear check glass, so your Softlex wire shows through it. So have everything match your design. So we have our little triangles, and then I'm just going to pick up 3 of these little daisy spacers. And I love when these little daisy spacers or flower beads stack together. Just kind of creates a little clustered look, but gives it perfect spacing. They just kind of nestle completely in there. And then I'm going to add another one of my little beads. So we have the little design. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Think we're going to change our design. Does that ever happen when you're designing and then you're like, I think there's another design option? So I have one of my little daisy spacers, but I have these 4mm orange little spacers, and I think that would look really cute to just kind of give it the Halloween colors. So we're going to pick up a gold spacer. Never have too much sparkle in your design. And another silver bead. And then we're going to put on our triangle. And I want my triangles all going the same way. So we have our little design. And then we're just going to repeat the pattern on the other side. One of our little daisy spacers, an orange rondel for sparkle, and a little daisy spacer. And our triangle. And then we're going to add on one of our little silver metallic beads, 4mm. And then I'm just going to repeat the pattern until I reach the end of my necklace. All the beads added onto our Softlex wire, and we have our cute little ghost necklace. Now we're just going to attach our clasp. So I have my Softlex 2x2s, a toggle bar, and jump rings. When I do a project, I always like to attach my clasp, if I can, to jump rings. A couple reasons. One, if I'm giving it as a gift, I can always extend the length of the necklace by just opening up jump rings and attaching either a piece of chain or some more jump rings without having to restring the project. Or if I want to switch up my clasp in the future, maybe I find one that will fit my design a little bit better. Instead of restringing it, you can just adjust it by opening up your jump rings. So we're going to start by attaching our 6 millimeter jump ring to our toggle bar. And you can use any clasp of your choice. So we're just going to open up that jump ring and attach and give it a close. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And when you're using a toggle bar, you just want to make sure that your bar is going to pass through the circle part of the clasp. So sometimes you might need to add a little bit more jump rings, or you can use a smaller size, like a couple 4 millimeter. And that's also why I finished my necklace the way I did, with just a few little sparkle beads and another one of the rondelle and spacer. Will create the space that I need for the bar to pass through the toggle. And I will show you that at the end of the necklace. So I know we have a lot of soft flex wire left over, but we will shorten this necklace in just a moment. So we're going to pick up our 2x2 and one side of our clasp. We're going to slide on our jump ring just like we would a bead and take our wire and pass back through our 2x2. And it's going to give us a little circle. We want to make sure that our 2x2 is not right up against our jump ring. That can cause tension. So we're going to take our pliers and just give it a little smash, and we're going to rotate. This is going to round our 2x2 and give us a more professional finish. Now we have just a little bit of a tail, so I'm just going to trim that. Now we have a lot of soft flex wire. So since our pendant is not stationary, we can just slide all of our beads down. And this is allowing us to have more soft flex wire to work with in the future. So I'm just going to trim a good working length so I can add my clasp. And then I'll save this for another project. This is a perfect length for a bracelet. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Slide on our 2x2 and our bar. We're going to pass back through our 2x2. And we're just going to make any adjustments we may need. We want our loop. We want our loop to be fairly the same size as the other side. And then we're just going to take our pliers and rotate. And then we're just going to trim off that extra soft flex we have. We have our cute little ghost necklace. So we have our toggle bar. So it's going to slide through. So as you can see with this little triangle bead, if I would have ended on that, it would have not passed through. So by ending on smaller beads or jump rings or a piece of chain, it allows the bar for the toggle clasp to slide through. And we have our adorable little ghost necklace. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other Gone Batty tutorials and Halloween inspiration. Have an awesome day.